Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a mailbox. Let's start off by drawing a tall arch like so, followed by a long horizontal line underneath that extends past the arch to the right. Next, draw the flag with a tall vertical line here that rounds back and up, and top that off with a horizontal rectangle. When you put the flag up, the mailman knows you have letters you want to pick up. To finish off the mailbox, extend a horizontal line from the tip of the arch, behind the flag, and curve it down to this end here. Underneath, draw 3 long vertical lines, going down for the wooden post that the mailbox sits on, and add a horizontal line underneath for the floor. To add more detail, draw a thin horizontal rectangle here for a slot or handle on the mailbox. Some thin horizontal lines across the mailbox for some added texture. And lastly, some thin vertical lines along the post for a wood texture. And now you've got a mailbox.